Each time you start up GIMP, pressure opacity will be the default brush dynamic. For the mouse, this has no effect. But if you are using a tablet, pressure opacity means you are able to draw with pressure sensitivity. Let's have a look at the tablet preferences. I go to Edit, Preferences, Input Devices, Configure Extended Input Devices. The core pointer is your mouse. Under it I have Eraser, which is the bottom of my pen, with which I can erase. The pressure stylus is the top of my pen, which is for drawing. Both are set on screen. If you click on pressure, you can change the sensitivity of the tablet. The horizontal axis is pen pressure, starting with low pen pressure to higher pen pressure, and the vertical axis is the brush visibility, starting from not visible to fully visible. So the harder you press your pen, the darker or more visible the brush will be. Let's say I want to press less hard before I start to see my brush. I can adjust this by dragging the left side of the graph up. Let's also say I want to press less hard before I reach the maximum brush visibility. To adjust this, I drag the right side of the graph to the left. I can also fine-tune. I would like that pressing just a bit harder doesn't lead to high brush visibility so fast. To do this, I will flatten the graph at the beginning by dragging it down. We can see an extra point is automatically created to make this possible. I have changed my tablet settings, so I will save them. Because I am under Input Devices, where I also save my default tool, color and brush, before I click Save, I will set them to their default value. I would like to have the soft brush I made, the Move tool and black and white. Now I click on Save. Now I will take the pen and select the brush. I can draw with pressure sensitivity. I select another brush. If the back of the pen doesn't erase, like in my case, with the back of the pen, select the Erase tool and then use the back of the pen. Switching between pen and eraser will work now. In the next lecture, we will look at how to go back in time with the History panel.